Hello guys, welcome back to GARITECH Interior. So if you haven't subscribed, I would like you to subscribe, share for the continuing support that will be given unto me. So here in this video we want to discuss the reason why you will involve an interior designer at early stage, and then the common mistake the fundis do at this early stage that may hinder your project at the end of your building your house. So this is a 4-bedroom house, and it has a kitchen, a dining, and a lounge, and it has 2 balcony. So here I will explain some features that fundis that maybe they always do at early stage. So we'll start at let me go at the okay. Let me start having just give you a view of the house, and then I will as the video continue, I will be updating you those common mistakes that fundis do. So this is our front balcony. As you can see, it has some 5 pillars. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So another mistake that fundi, let's say like an electrician, that may forget is like an outside socket. So this help the owner of the house, well, maybe during the daytime or early in the evening, he can come and chill here. So maybe his phone or her phone is shutting down. So when an electrician provide a socket here, it will make things easier. So we always make a socket here outside. So as you can see, we'll come and put here a double socket outside the house at this corridor, at this veranda. So this is the main entrance. So the owner proposed that there's this door that they call Chinese door. So we measured the size, and then the size of the door, and then this is the actual size, and then we'll just imported it. So we are expecting it to be at the site maybe in 2 weeks time. So this is and then this is our arc that leading us to the sitting room. As you can see, this is our sitting room, guys. It has some 2 windows. So the first one and the second one is there. And then the other mistake, or our like us, when we build a house, we always provide a beam at the end, at the bottom of our windows, and then we always have the first beam and then the upper layer beam. This help us that the beam at up, it help us to reduce the weight of the house, mabatis, iron sheets, and the frame. So at least when it, like, let's say like when that frame sit like on the like this, when sits on a block like that, so it can create like some tension force, and then which may lead it to cracking. But when you do like this, you have a beam at the top there, it always make the house strong, and then there will be no some cracks at the house. So already the electrical work is still ongoing. So there is the piping for AC, and then always that hole that you see, that is provision for air condition. So we always provide at early stage air condition, early stage, and then here always here we have this is for TV. So we'll provide the internet socket and a TV antenna socket. So this is our beam even entering to our dining room. So this is our dining room. As you can see, it has some window there. So this facilitates the easy access penetration of the light at this room. So let me take you to the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, and then it has some 2 windows, and then this is the first one, and then this is the second one. So this is the beam that I was talking. So today they are installing the beam, as you can see, so as to avoid the cracks that at times comes at the bottom of your window, so as to reduce the tension force that will be acting towards the after when you have installed the window. So this is our first bedroom. As always, we have provided there an alternative. This is for wardrobe. It's always 2 feet from the wall, as you can see. So our wardrobe will run from here and then up to that end. So we always do early at an early stage. So this is the first bedroom. So let me take you to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. As you can see, the fundi is still going with his work. So it has 1 window, and then this beam is already being installed. So this is the provision for the wardrobes. As I said earlier, we always provide at the early stage. So let me take you to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen, and then this door, as you can see, this is for our store. This leading us to our store, and then this is our kitchen. So our working table will run from there and then comes up to somewhere at least halfway of this wall. And then the owner suggested that we'll put here this at this wall we will have some window there that will just ease for accessibility for the food from kitchen to the dining. So the owner suggested that we'll put here a marble table, working table at this early stage, so as after she finish cooking, she can put his meal at this working table here. So let me take you to this first bedroom. This is the third bedroom. This is our master bedroom, guys. As you can see, it's quite huge. It has some 2 windows, this one and this one. As you can see, they're still ongoing. This beam is being made, and then here this wall will be, as you can see, that small partition is the big partition will be for wardrobe. The wardrobe will run from here and then up to this wall. So the owner suggested that the will put here his bed. So his bed will come from this at the center of that window, and then has came up to this end. So we'll provide some air condition up there, and then this way leads us to the bathroom and then to the dressing room. So here we'll install at these 2 corners, this corner and then this corner. We install here some wardrobes, some small wardrobe, and then with a dressing mirror. So, and then this will be the dressing room, and then this will be the toilet. So this toilet, the owner suggested that we'll have the partition for how do you call this now? There is bath. So we'll separate here, and then we'll put some, how do you call it? The glasses. So we'll put some glass here. So the bathing side will be here, and then the toilet will be at this end, and then there is our window. And then, so let me take you to the last bedroom, and then that is our fourth bedroom. So this is our fourth bedroom. This is partition for wardrobe. So this will be wardrobe that will be put there. It has some two windows, the first one and the second one, and then it also have a toilet here. So guys, if you watch up to there, I will just appreciate if you click that red button, subscribe, and then I will just be grateful so much. So then after you have subscribed, they will be the first one to be notified when I create content like this, and then you will be the first one to be notified for this incredible content. So let's meet on to the next video, after we have finished the electrical work for this project. So bye.